Today we're taking a close look at the GARVEE 1200 lb's motorcycle lift jack, a heavy-duty scissor lift designed for dirt bikes, cruisers, street bikes, and even ATVs. In this video, we'll go through the design, key features, real user experiences, and whether this motorcycle lift is actually worth buying for your garage. If you enjoy maintaining your own motorcycle, doing oil changes, tire swaps, chain maintenance, or detailed cleaning, having the right lift can completely change how easy those tasks become. The GARVEE motorcycle lift jack is designed to support up to 1,200 pounds, which means it can handle most motorcycles, cruisers, adventure bikes, and ATVs without any problem. That capacity alone gives it a big advantage for riders with heavier machines like touring bikes or large cruisers. The lift uses a strong steel X-frame structure, which is known for its stability and durability. This design helps distribute weight evenly and reduces the chance of wobbling when the motorcycle is raised. Another important feature is the 6 safety locking positions, which keep the bike securely elevated once it reaches the desired height. Instead of relying purely on mechanical tension, the safety lock ensures the lift stays stable while you work on your bike. This is especially important when you're performing tasks like brake work, wheel removal, or engine maintenance. The lift platform measures 14.4 by 9 inches, providing a wide contact area for the frame of your motorcycle. To protect your bike from scratches and slipping, GARVEE added an 11.5 mm thick anti-slip rubber pad on the lifting surface. This thick rubber layer prevents metal-to-metal contact and helps keep the motorcycle stable during lifting. The adjustable height range goes from 6.3 inches to 16.9 inches, which is ideal for many different maintenance scenarios. You can start at a low height to easily position the bike, then gradually raise it to a comfortable working height. The lifting mechanism is powered by a ratchet wrench and crank handle system, allowing smooth and controlled lifting. Many users say the lifting motion is very smooth, making it easy to raise the bike slowly and safely. Another great feature is the 4 heavy-duty iron casters attached to the base. These wheels allow you to move the motorcycle around your garage or workspace without needing to remove it from the lift. For example, you can easily reposition the bike under better lighting or move it into storage when you're finished working. Based on hundreds of customer reviews, users consistently mention how sturdy and reliable the lift feels. Some riders reported leaving their motorcycles on the lift for weeks at a time, and the jack maintained stability without any issues. Others mentioned that the lift made tasks like rear tire replacement, brake work, and chain maintenance much easier. Many reviewers also pointed out that the lift saves a lot of physical strain. Instead of working on the ground or crouching for long periods, the adjustable height allows you to work more comfortably. This can make a huge difference if you spend a lot of time maintaining your motorcycle. Another common comment from customers is how versatile the lift is. It works not only with motorcycles but also with ATVs, dirt bikes, cruisers, and adventure touring bikes. Some owners even use it to lift bikes during winter storage to prevent flat spots on the tires. In terms of build quality, the lift is made from high-carbon steel, giving it the strength needed to handle heavy loads over long periods of use. The powder-coated finish also helps protect the steel from grease, fluids, and typical garage wear. Several reviewers even described it as professional shop quality at a home garage price, which is a strong compliment for a tool in this category. Of course, no product is perfect. A few users mentioned that the jack itself is quite heavy at around 60 pounds, but that weight actually contributes to the stability of the lift. Overall, the feedback from owners is extremely positive, with an average rating close to 4.9 out of 5 stars from over 180 reviews. If you regularly maintain your own motorcycle or ATV, a lift like this can save time, reduce physical strain, and make garage work significantly easier. The combination of 1,200-pound capacity, adjustable height, safety locks, and mobility wheels makes this GARVEE lift a very practical tool for home mechanics. If you'd like to check out the latest price or learn more about the product, you can find the link in the description below.